All right, for my science project here, I tried a few different methods. Initially, I tried the potato method, to which we took these two little potatoes here, and then I did screw in the screws. Also, after that, I connected the two copper wires to it, trying to light this light bulb. However, the light bulb did not light. So that was attempt number one. Attempt number two was to take these D Duracell batteries and then also to take the copper wires there, attaching it from one end of the battery to the other end of the battery. And then thus using this, so attaching it at the tip of it and also the side. However, the light still did not light. So then I bought some more wires to try and fasten together, and then thinking that maybe it needed another surge of wire because copper is a great conductor of electricity. So that's initially why I got the copper wires there for you. At first, the two copper wires were together, and then I did break them, thinking that maybe it was going to help out doing it so forth. Lastly, what I did is I got this little electric light generator that requires off of littler batteries, thinking that maybe the batteries were not powerful enough to generate this light bulb. Even when I hooked up the batteries and the potatoes together, and both of them, it's just hard to do it all by yourself. It still did not light the light bulb. So what I did was I removed the batteries out of here, hooked up the copper wires to each side of the battery. Sorry, I don't have use of my fingers because I just can't feel them. And then I tried to put one end of the copper wire there, one end of the copper wire there to light this strand. Now the strand was very dimly lit, and then I kind of examined like if it was something that was wrong with this mechanically, because it is a little bit of an older piece that I try to find. And then we initially tried to do it through here too. Ultimately, we only got this strand to lit for a light for a little bit. And that was just based upon trying to use the Duracell batteries. The potatoes did not work as I thought they would. However, maybe I needed bigger potatoes. So that's what we conducted for our last project here. Kind of wanted to piggyback off the lemon idea. We did test when we went through the copper batteries and put one end on this end. It did create a lot of heat when both of the copper wires were connected to either one, almost to the point where it was extremely hot to touch the wires there. So we were creating some heat. I physically can't show the heat being generated there, but that's why we were trying to use it from the light bulb as well. So as far as the scientific method goes, there was a lot of trial and error. Ultimately, we created heat as far as electricity, not light, by tapping one end of this copper wire together, fusing these areas together, and created that, generated the electricity of heat.